Myself.
You're not allowed to be inside the gate without a hard hat and high vis and stuff.
Who said that? Who made up that law?
I did. It's Bailey
Who are you?
Construction. I'm with Bailey Construction.
Okay.
There's a sign right there.
What did it say?
No hard hats, no blah, blah, blah.
Does it have an
No
RCW
entry.
underneath it?
Probably.
I doubt it.
Well, you're not allowed into it.
Who says?
I said.
And
Bailey.
who are you? What's your
I
name?
work for Bailey.
What's your name?
What's your name?
You work for Bailey Construction, and are you telling me I have to leave this place?
Correct.
And by what authority do you have to tell me I got to leave this place?
There's a fence right there. You're not allowed inside the construction site without a hard hat and high vis.
You don't have a hard hat
I
on.
just took it off because you're going.
Oh, you're a funny guy.
Yeah, you're funny.
Yeah.
Oh, good luck.
Yeah, call somebody that cares.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
What are you filming anyhow?
City Hall.
Why?
Why not?
Why would you want to do that?
Oh, maybe I was hoping the police would come down here and arrest me. Think that?
If you want that, go around the corner.
What's around the corner?
That's the police station.
They're too scared of me.
I bet they are.
Yeah.
You're scaring the shit out of me right now.
You know. Life's tough, buddy. Grab a pair. Reach down there and grab a pair. Hey, you don't have a hard hat on. What are you doing going in there? You don't have a hard hat on. Ooh.